Hi everyone. I hope you guys are having a great week. Today I'm going to go over how to do your self-portrait just in case you missed it or if you need to catch up or just have further clarifying questions, okay? So today what we do is we start with an egg shape because your head actually is somewhat of an egg shape. And this is mainly because your brain is bigger than your chin, and that is why the top is bigger than the bottom. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to draw a line of symmetry. The line of symmetry is so that whatever goes on this side must go on this side. It is actually a math word, symmetrical, equal things on equal sides. The next line we're going to draw is just to help us a little bit more, and it is a line that goes across the center of your face. From here, we're going to draw our eyes. And actually, what is interesting is your eyes go in the middle of your face. And they are not just circles and not just ovals, but in fact, they are either a lemon or a football shape. And what we do is we curve up, curve under, curve up, curve under. And they're on the line because we have to remember that our hair and our forehead and our eyebrows are also up here. Inside the football shape, we're going to draw the colorful part of our eye. This is also called an iris. Inside the iris is a pupil. A pupil is the actual part that you can see out of. From here, we're going to find in between our eyes and our chin the center. In the center is our nose. Now, your nose can be as skinny or as wide as you want it to be. We're going to start with a tiny smile. Bump, bump. Make the letter C on this side. Make a backwards letter C on that side. And then we're going to curve up, curve up. From here, we're going to go from the middle, from our nose to the chin and find the new middle. Now, we are going to start with the dip that is in our lip. Mine, particularly, is a wide V. And then I'm going to do a little curve underneath it. I'll explain what that is in just a minute. From here, I'm going to go out just past my nose, and same on this side. And then I'm going to go around that little line to create a bigger mouth. Now, I am having my mouth closed, so this helps me figure out where my mouth closes. Like so. Now, we are going to need our eyebrows because they also belong on our face. We are not the Mona Lisa over here. We all have eyebrows. If you do not know who the Mona Lisa is, I strongly encourage you to look her up. So 2 diagonal points towards the line of symmetry. Curve around, curve around. Now here you can make one of 2 different kinds of eyebrows. I'm going to show you both kinds, but please pick one of the 2. So you can go out and down, out and down. That's one option. Another option would just be to do a curve all the way around. Now we need our ears. Our ears actually start at our eye. They curve up, they go in, they go out, and they stop at just below our nose. Like so. Now what we need is a finger under the ear, and we're going to draw a line. We need this finger here because you need this space here. Your neck and your ear do not touch, but your neck does also not start down here. It actually starts back here. Do the same thing on the other side. There you go. Now we're going to draw our shoulders. Now notice I didn't put them at the corner, and that is because your shoulders are not a super diagonal. And then a shirt line. Finally, we need hair. Now I'm going to draw my hair, but I will show you some other hair options. I have wavy curly hair, so I'm going to go like so all the way to my ear, and then I'm going to draw a big wavy line to each side. And if your hair is longer than your shoulders, let's just pretend that your hair is behind your shoulders. Now, for some other hair options, we have these. We have pulled back hair with braids, pulled back hair with a high ponytail, maybe some beads. Maybe you have some smaller dreads or some longer dreads. Or maybe your hair is curly or wavy in the front. Other options, maybe you have a box or a really striking hairline, like so. And maybe it's super short like that. Or maybe you have a box, but your hair is wavy at the top. And it can be as tall like this or as short as it needs to be. I hope to see you in art class. Have a good day.